Hi friends, we'll learn about Ttkbootstrap. This is a theme extension of Tkinter window. So this you can see we have various widgets and some new widgets are also there. This is a meter, this is a float gauge, and these are buttons, and you can just select anything, and you can see each button there are around 8 different styles are there, and this entire styles we can different themes we can change it. I am just changing by selecting a radio buttons. There are around 19 different built-in themes are available. I am selecting one by one, so you can, this is a dark mode also, so different themes I can apply, and to entire all this I can use it. So and this extra widgets also, and this all this will learn by using Ttkbootstrap. Let's install it. So I am writing pip install Ttkbootstrap. Let's see how it installs. It is collecting, and it's okay, it's over. We'll start using it by importing first. So import Ttkbootstrap as ttk. You can give any other name also. Some constants we'll be using frequently, so better to Ttkbootstrap dot constants import all. So we'll be using them frequently. So now let's create our first window, or my underscore w. This is a parent window equal to ttk dot window. This is what we will be frequently using. Now let's create the geometry or the size of it. My underscore w dot geometry. What should be the size? Let's give 400 in by 150. You can change it whatever dimension you want. Now let's keep our window open. So for that, my underscore w dot main loop. So now our basic template is ready. In this, two buttons will place. Let's first place our b1 equal to ttk dot button my underscore w is my parent window. Now some text will write it. We'll write it as what is the style we are going to use it, the same one. So we'll say success, because this is the text only for our reference. Now here I am assigning the style to it by using the parameter boot style. Boot style equal to success. This is the constant what we are using now. Now this will place it on a grid. So we'll say b1 dot grid equal to row equal to 0, first row. So column now equal to first row, first column, column equal to 0. Now slightly pad x I am giving, not flushing with the left edge. So pad x is 30, pad y equal to 30. So now one button is placed. Now let me just copy this, come down and paste it here. So this is the second button. One more style will go, then we'll loop and use it also, so we can see all the available styles. So here it is, text success. In place of success we'll say primary, because that is what we are going to use. This is for our reference text only. The constant part what you are saying is here I am primary. So I have given the style, use first one success, second one style. So now here I will say the column equal to 1. So that's all. Now let's run this and see how these buttons looks. Here it is. You can see two buttons, success and primary. If I click this, you can see the change in the front end. So this is what now what you will try is see all the other styles available and apply to two types of buttons. We'll change the width, increase the width a bit. So here we are, we'll make it 520. And this is the width, height will make it 200. So below that, now let's, here will I equal to 0, or rather it is better we write column this is, so c equal to 0. This variable is carry more meaning. So now we'll say for my style in my underscore w, this is my window. Now style, now colors. Now this one will gives me the list of all the colors or all the styles available. Sorry, it's not the colors, it's the styles available in that Ttkbootstrap. So that list. So I am looping through. So each time this my style variable will take one, then one, then one, like that it will continue. So here I am coming to next line. Now here I am giving a button, ttk button, my underscore text equal to, here the text, instead of constant text writing, I will just place whatever the name of the particular style. So my style. Then boot style equal to, here instead of giving a constant, I will give the this particular my style. So every time it loops, it takes the 1 value and place it. Now here what I will do, I will place it on a grid. I am putting it in a row 1, so, or row 0, whatever you can. Here I will give it I. Sorry, not I, C. C is the 0. First one it will 0. Then slightly I am reducing here, putting it 2. Now pad Y, let's just reduce it 20. Now in addition to this, I will go for one more type of button, that is in this, or let me just copy this. So these two lines I will copy, and here I will paste it. So this is, I will give second line, this is B2 I am giving, and this also B2. Now my underscore text my style bootstrap here. Here what I will do, I will, instead of that, I will use a outline button. So I will give 2 and one constant I will place it. So I will say outline. Now this is a tuple I am using here. So this my style will take the whatever the for loop, each one's style it will take and place it here. And again another option is outline. So this is the second button. Now here what I have to use is next row I am going. So row equal to 1, and this column is let it be C, whatever I am using. Now this, because it's below one below other first one, then here I will increase C equal to C plus 1. So inside the loop this will move towards the right, and two buttons it will place vertically, one, then move to the right, place 2 more set, place 2 more set, like that it will go. Let's just see this, how this looks. Here it is. Yeah, sorry, I think my previous one I have not saved, my old one. Now let's just, yeah, here it is. So you can see the first row contains all the buttons, whatever the styles are available. So that's what has come up. And the second line, this B2 is the with outline only. So it's this button, you can see this is exactly the same. Here is one more is there. It is very light. So, and these are the button. If I click it, this will take, you can see the style of this. So this is how we have used, means every component, say it's not only a button, other components, a radio button, checkbox, every component we can apply this set of style, built-in styles. So this is already available in Ttkbootstrap. So these styles we can apply to that. Now let's move to the themes. We'll try to find out what is the currently used theme. So for that we'll say print. Now my underscore W is the parent window. Now style, then theme use. Now this will give us the output as what's the theme. So let's run this. Here is the window, and here you can see litera is this is the theme used. So now we can change the theme also, and we can get the list up. So now let's just, above that I'll write one more line to change the theme. So my underscore W dot style dot theme use. Now what I am saying is KLY. So now I am using the I am asking to use a different theme. So then the print will be different. So let's just, I am applying a different. Here you can see the that is a dark theme I have applied, and here you can see the print also has changed, because next line when it prints it prints the theme what we are used. Now let's get all the list of themes whatever we are using it, because now here it is my themes is a variable only equal to my underscore W dot CME my theme names. this will give me the entirely all the whatever I am using, that all the names. Sorry, here I must use style. Here it is style theme names. So once the theme names are now this I can print it. So let me just print my underscore themes. So here what I am going to do is just getting the list of themes available. Now I'll click this. Okay, now let me close the window. Read here. Here is the list of all the themes whatever available. I think there should be 18. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 themes are available. Now we can, now this is the different built-in themes. I'll just have to theme use this particular line. I can use and use any theme. But for a easy changes of theme and to compare all those things, we'll give a interface. We'll create a interface where a set of radio buttons will place. Each radio button, and these radio buttons has to be created dynamically. So each radio button will represent one theme. So it will, the value attribute of the radio button should connected to this particular names. So any radio button I am clicking, that particular theme will be applied. That application will try to develop. So we'll get a better idea of what type of theme, how it looks. The entire source code you can download also. So, but it is going to be little long. You can practice this, and in the next part we are will develop that application with the radio button. So you can keep on changing it and check all the themes, and we'll add some sample widgets also, and these are, we'll try to add the new widgets. So, and we'll be more discussing like meter, then one flood gauge, all those new widgets will be using them. So you can get a good idea that how the templates and styles are used. Note that these styles are, these are applied to the individual components, and themes are applied to the application. So it's a broader sense. Now there are styles are available. These are already prepared, the styles, and we are using the built-in styles, and similarly built-in themes also. And in the next we will develop that application. I will just request you, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you will be notified as and when we add new tutorials. We frequently do that also. And if you have any doubt, suggestion, question, use the comment section below to post it. And I request you to please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.